Every game begins the same way, with silence, with a breath, with the ball waiting at the center. And in that silence, we wonder, what if this game could be more than a game? What if it could be a language everyone speaks, without borders, without fear, without limits? What if this pitch was not just a field of grass, but a field of possibilities, where every pass carries a story, every goal carries a dream, every player carries us forward?
Not towards trophy, but towards each other. Not only chasing victory, but chasing meaning.
This is the game we imagine, the game where innovation is not technology, but togetherness. A game open like the sky, a game without barriers, a game that belongs to everyone. We are not 11, we are all. We are not here to play as rivals, we are here to play as one. We are All for One Football Club, the team that plays for a better game. All for one, one for all for the game.
Hello, everyone. For anybody who doesn't know me, my name is Jan Alessi. I'm the co-founder of World Football Summit. This is Rafa Soto, partner and creative director of Suma Branding.
Hello, everybody.
Together, we've created something that started really as an idea and hopefully will soon become a movement.
It will.
As you know, World Football Summit is a gathering of football. We're all here because we love football and we know of the power it represents. Because football, I always say, is the greatest generator of content in the world. It has a huge voice. With that voice comes huge responsibility. As Mandela famously said, sports, and especially football, has the power to change the world. Football represents the purest of values: teamwork, respect, self-improvement, solidarity, values that make the world a better place. So this year, at World Football Summit and at Suma, we wanted to take those values beyond this event, to go beyond the boardroom and to the streets. And we thought, what better way to do that than with a football club? A club that doesn't play on the pitch, but plays on the streets. A club that doesn't play matches, but spreads positive values. That's how All for One FC was born. A club that anyone, literally anyone, can be a part of. And who are the players? All of you who love the game and believe in its power to unite. All for One will be backed by non-profit organizations, and part of everything All for One generates will go straight to them. That is why I'm proud to announce that our first player is someone who perfectly embodies the spirit of All for One, Juan Mata, who has been championing inclusivity through common goals for the past 9 years.
Hola a todos, soy Juan Mata y quería mandar un saludo muy grande para mis amigos de All for One FC, un proyecto interesantísimo con una visión diferente del mundo del fútbol, tratando de generar impacto positivo fuera del terreno de juego, y es algo que compartimos totalmente en nuestro movimiento Common Goal. Quería daros las gracias, como no, por destinar los primeros fondos para nuestro movimiento, para Common Goal, y tenemos muchísimas ganas de trabajar juntos. Un abrazo, gracias, y por cierto, la camiseta preciosa.
Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Juan Mata. It is indeed, the jersey is beautiful. It's made with a lot of love. That's actually a very special edition because it's the first edition. Well, those are the first edition, the one with strays and the white one. And we only made 150 items, so that's the drop, and that's the special edition. But even though they're beautiful, those are not the All for One colors. And they're not the All for One colors because the All for One doesn't have a color. Because the All for One is made to be a canvas, a white canvas for football to express their own values in collaboration with other brands and other artists and other creators. Think about it like a jersey with a football heart, but a beautiful, changing, cool skin that will be changing all the time with new designs and new messages. And the second thing I wanted to say is, even though that's a football jersey, it's not made to play on the pitch. Well, it is, but our field are not the football stadium, but the streets, the bars, the clubs, the avenues, the offices. And this is where we want the office, the jersey to be. We love to see that jersey up in a scenario with an artist performing, or even a politician with a very refreshing speech wearing it. But mostly you. We love you to wear that teacher, because that teacher, like every football teacher, like every football jersey, is not only a cool design, but has also a meaning, and is full of beliefs. Those are the things we believe in.
We don't believe in politics. We don't believe in crowns.
We don't believe in borders or walls that shut us down.
We don't believe in
Prophets.
We don't believe in kings
We don't believe in empty slogans.
or shiny plastic dreams.
We don't believe in silence.
We don't believe in noise.
We don't believe in the circus
Circus
of...
of puppets without voice.
We don't believe in heroes. We don't believe in fame.
We don't believe in trophies.
When the game is just the same.
But we believe in football.
The street,
The street.
the sweat,
sweat,
the call.
the call.
We believe in football.
A field that welcomes all. We believe in football. No borders. Just one sun. We believe in football.
Together.
All for one.
Okay, so that's it from our side. That's the official presentation, the day one for this beautiful project, working all together, World Football Summit and Suma. We're in love with this brand. There's the official kit outside. You can go and check it and ask for everything. You can be a member of the team, and you don't need to play football, but only by the fact of wearing it, you're already changing the game. Thank you very much. Thank you.